Bigla crossover move.
Ha?
Pass to Barrientos sa ilalim. May score 2 points by Barrientos. Intercepted by Hernandez. May pangalili. Hernandez plays up. Hernandez. He has 4. Behind the back dribbling. Kilingan to Amador. No good. He has 2 points. Rito no good. Rebound by contact. To Tusi. Wala. Nakay Maria. Yes, for 2 points by Rock PK. Kilingan to Organ. Intercepted by contact. Pass to Tusi to Berida. Yes, for 2 points. 29-22. Hernandez pull up jumper. Yes, for 2 points. And 30 seconds. Organ to Kilingan. Lays up. Rebound by Kilingan. Kilingan to Bensalida. Wala. Ball rebound by Kilingan. Wala pa rin. Adjust number 7. To Bensalida. Ball rebound by Kilingan. Yes, for 2 points. 22. Tibro PK. Naka Hernandez. Pass to Lusanez. To Hernandez. 82 points. Lusanez. Adjust number 7. 20 seconds. Hernandez, yes, for 2 points. 15 seconds. 5 seconds.